Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from PartsAuto.com, and we're going to talk about that rotten oil pan. If you're leaking oil out of there and you've made sure that your drain plug is nice and tight with a brand new seal on it, but you're still leaking oil, it's probably because you've got a modern car with an aluminum oil pan. Now these aluminum oil pans tend to corrode simply because the car isn't not properly grounded. If you look closely here, you can see a little bit of corrosion on this oil pan. Now I keep it treated with a little bit of oil to try to keep that corrosion to a minimum, but if you need an oil pan, we got them. Pretty easy to take off. A couple of little bolts all the way around. Make sure when you retighten to tighten from one end to another in an X pattern, working your way towards the center as you retighten that oil pan. The oil pan gasket is going to just be either a little piece of cork or a little piece of rubber. Either way, do not put any compound on it. That's right, put it on nice and dry. Clean up both surfaces and put those gaskets on nice and dry when you put the new oil pan back on. But we do have the oil pan and the gasket for you right here at PartsAuto.com.
The part you need now.